Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you remove the TikTok Shop Creator Center or your TikTok Shop itself from your actual account, the Creator Center? Basically, it's underneath here on the as you see the on link here. It's underneath the my account sales profile. You can see there's a linked TikTok account, and that's just basically it. So if there's malware, again, if there's this is a very common thing for people to do, especially if there's malware on their system. They'll link and unlink the account itself, but keep in mind that you're only allowed to do this like 2 times, because if you do, restrictions are going to be mandated, especially if you're trying to add product that is affiliated with your actual TikTok shop that you removed and then relink back. So be careful in this one. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.